I know you have wondered if you can check if someone has checked your highlights or not. Well, today I have kind of a solution for that. In order to do that, first I should tell you how to make a highlight. So if I tap on this plus icon here, Instagram allows me to choose from all the stories that I have posted before or the ones that are on my story as we speak. So if I choose one of them and one from, let's say, one of the past stories that I had posted, and then tap next, and then give my highlight a name, like, I don't know, I'm just gonna choose an emoji and then tap add. So this action adds a highlight to your profile. Now, if I tap on this highlight, as you can see, I can only view the activity for the story that I have on my page right now. I can see who has seen it and who has liked it, anything else that I want. But for my past stories, I can only see the interactions people have had with them and not just the people who have seen or viewed my story. So to answer you, the only way to see who has viewed your highlight is only if that story is still active and the 24 hours of that story has not yet passed, like this one from mine, which has only 22 hours to it. I would like to mention that if your account is professional, you can see more information about who has viewed your highlights while that story was active, but still, that doesn't let you see a list of all the people who have viewed it. Only the people who have had interactions with them or how many people have had interactions with your highlight stories. Anyway, I hope this video has helped you and I hope Instagram adds that feature so we can know who has actually viewed our highlights. But I think until this date, it is just a privacy policy and we cannot check that. Don't forget to subscribe too.